Hi you beautiful humble gluttons. In this video let's learn to make a simple sweet dish called Doodh Pak. This is a sweet that is usually consumed while fasting because it has properties of cooling the body. It also happens to be one of our favorites that can be prepared at any time because it's a comfort sweet. Let's play the intro and get cooking. First, let's take a saucepan, and because this is Doodh Pak, the hero ingredient is milk. So we take 300 ml of milk, and to this let's add 1 cup of pressure cooked moong dal. So here we have pressure cooked the moong dal for a couple of whistles. Just make sure that it is quite soft, as the soft moong dal makes the experience of consuming Doodh Pak really memorable. And now for this let's add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and you can choose to add 1 tablespoon of sweetened condensed milk. If you don't have condensed milk at home, you can just add 1 more tablespoon of sugar for this recipe. And now to one of the most important ingredients to the recipe, and that is coconut milk. Coconut milk adds all the richness that this recipe richly deserves. And now let's give a good mix to all these ingredients before we put it onto the flames. And now let's heat this on medium flame till it gets to a boil. Please remember to keep stirring it continuously and regularly. This can save a lot of time when you have to wash the saucepan. And now that it has come to a boil, my dear friends, let's add one last ingredient to it. And that is edible camphor. Now keep in mind to just add a small pinch of edible camphor. Camphor has a dominating and also has a pungent flavor. So be very careful when you are adding camphor. When added in right proportions, it can make the recipe really fragrant and flavorful. And it also has the potency to make the dish a memory in our minds. After adding the camphor, give one good mix and then wait for it to boil. And once it boils, we will take it off the flame. And that is it, my friends. Fragrant, delicious and healthy Doodh Pak is ready. I can't resist myself from sipping it while it's hot. But before that, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and show some love. Thank you for watching this video. See you all in the next one. Until then, happy cooking and happy eating.